Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's of course your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I have something really special for you because today we will be reviewing GoAskAi, which is a project that has AI agents that can help you with pretty much anything related to crypto and not only crypto. Before we start with the video, guys, as always I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. With that being said, we can dive right into this video, guys. I also wanted to excuse you for my voice. I know it's a little bit different than usually. Well, I got kinda sick, but I still have to drop a video for you nonetheless because these guys are launching their token, and by the time you are seeing the video, the token is probably already live. So yeah, honestly, I'm dropping this as early as I possibly can. I just recently discovered it and I decided to drop a video on them because I really like the concept here and the token in itself. We will go to Whitepaper later on. It has utility. Obviously, guys, you know that I focus on utility projects, and yeah, this one has utility and it also has a working AI agent already. So yeah, GoAskAi, guys, AI answers for crypto, devs and everything else. I also really like how they did their website. It has like those cool animations. It's really nice and just eye-catching, so I kinda like it. So GoAsk is an AI-powered platform that lets users get real-time answers across crypto, development and more through chat, live calls or interactive live streams. And there is one live stream also going on their Twitter, which you can go ahead and discover. So as you can see, this is basically how you can test the AI agent, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's get back here and let's see what kind of interactions you can have with your agents. So you can have live video calls, you can talk directly with your AI characters that see, hear and respond to you on video, which is pretty cool. You can chat with them, so it's kind of classic. Like for example, you have similar like, you know, I mean, you already know how to chat to AI, like everybody used ChatGPT or Grok, so yeah, that's cool. And then you also have a live stream where you can join real-time broadcasts where AI agents react live to your comments and questions, and this one I think is my favorite out of these three. So it's really cool, and I haven't seen any other crypto project to develop like live AI agents. So that's why this one really came out pretty interesting to me, and that's why I decided to drop a video on them, especially because of the fact that they are launching the token for this, which is backed by utility, and you can already see how this utility is kind of working, you know. So that's really cool. So delivering a single source of truth through a conversational experience that feels human and natural. So built to learn with you, built to work with you. Really cool. You can connect through chat, video or live stream. You can focus on instant and accurate answers. You have unified access across multiple platforms, lifelike responses and reactions from animated AI agents, multiple agent personalities and specializations. And this is what I also really like. There is not, you know, just a single agent that is, you know, like responsible, let's say, for all the topics and stuff. Yes, you actually have in fact multiple personalities, multiple agents. They all have different names. And I think we will have it in a second on the website, so I will be able to show you that. So you can talk to your AI agents via interactive live calls, chat, live streams, perfect for a smooth, natural and immersive experience. So GoAskAi makes Web3 easier and simpler for the learner and the experienced. You can choose your agents, just go ask. So for example, you can ask Dev, which is your all-in-one AI builder, AI co-pilots that helps developers code, test, deploy and audit smart contracts and apps. And for example, ask Pro, which is your all-in-one life companion. He helps you manage your crypto assets, plan your day, improve habits and track life goals. So as you can see, these are just two, and then you have much more. So for example, you have Juan, who is fluent in smart contracts, token creation, gas optimization and dApps. And you have Dev, you have Samantha, for example, legal stuff, navigating the gray zones of crypto. So she definitely has some cool knowledge. You have Pro, you have Flora, you have Andy, and I believe there will be more agents added sooner or later, because they definitely will be expanding this project from what I think, at least. So yeah, it's really cool that there is, you know, not just a single agent, there is multiple agents, and they all have their, you know, each different personality, different knowledge. and like different specialization, specification, you know, all that stuff. So it's really cool. I love the idea of that, and I can really tell that the team behind this project is really creative because of that. We are making crypto simple by giving retail users expert AI agents to answer questions and guide them anytime, building a future where information is no longer something you search for, but one you interact with directly. So you have the tools. They are also working on this mobile app that brings the full power of your AI agent to your pocket. It's cool because whenever you, like, you know, again, like most of people use their phones on a daily basis, like anyone, not most, but anyone use the phone on a daily basis, and whenever you will need some kind of help or ask some question, you can just pull up the app, talk to your favorite agent and ask him whatever you need. Then you also have a web application, and they have a nice little sneak peek or preview of it on their X, which is like this. I like it a lot. So you have your account, you have your agents, so you have like Michael, Sally, David, etc. And then, for example, Sally has live Q&A, and you can interact with her by joining the chat and asking her a question, for example, right? And you can also join streams of other agents. So for example, you have Juanita here. You have your library, you have your agents, you have your chat. So yeah, it really looks cool, honestly, and this will be definitely improved even more than that, because this is just a sneak peek from May 24th, so I believe they already have tweaked this quite a lot. So it's really cool. Also Telegram integration, which is nice because you'll be able to also just chat and do it from the level of your application, which is cool. Smarter building, smarter investing, smarter everything. Just go ask AI. So this is it when it comes to the website, guys. Now we will jump into Whitepaper and their social medias, and I will tell you some things that I think about their token. Alright guys, so we are on their white paper, and again I need to give them a props here because they have their white paper on Gitbook. And if you watch my channel, then you guys know that I really appreciate those Gitbook white papers because they're just much easier to read than, you know, having to scroll through a PDF file. You have like all the table of contents here and you just click whatever interests you. I always recommend you to go ahead and check out the white paper, so this one will also be linked in the description of this video. So guys, what is their mission? What is their vision? Their mission is to give everyone instant access to expert level knowledge through interactive AI powered agents, starting with crypto development and expanding to every emerging domain. We believe that asking a question should always lead to a clear, actionable answer. No more guessing, Googling, or guessing again. So this is their vision, a world where AI agents become your most trusted advisors, where knowledge is real-time, accurate, context aware and accessible from anywhere. So this will be your go-to platform where you can ask, learn and act without barriers, middlemen or complexity. So speaking about the token, guys, which is launching pretty soon. Again, by the time you watch this video, it is already live or launching in 1 day, so you gotta check this out. But yeah, it has the utility obviously, and you know that utility driven tokens tend to do better than just meme coins. And obviously guys, I'm not really showing you meme coins lately. I'm just focusing on those utility projects. So yeah, this one has utility nonetheless, and as you can see, it has a bunch of utilities. So first one is access tiering. By being a holder, you can unlock premium agent types or advanced features, and for that you will need to hold specific amounts of tokens. So let's say for tier 1 you will need like 100, for tier 2 you might need like 500, for tier 3 you might need like 5,000, and so on. So this will definitely drive the buying force to the token, because people will be interested in accessing the best possible tiers of their agents, right? Then also have credits and payments. You can pay for calls, tips or API access in Ask. Ask is their token name, so it's also really cool ticker. Yeah, just ask, it's really nice. And then you also have staking, so you will be able to lock tokens for platform perks or DAO voting rights. So yes, they also are working on DAO, which you guys, again, if you watch my channel for long enough, then you know that I'm a big fan of DAO because, well, obviously the community gets to have a voice, and they can decide, about the future of the project. So this is another thing that will definitely drive some buyers here and some investors potentially. So yeah, really good to see that. And obviously staking, you will be able to get more tokens for locking your current tokens and letting them work for you. Referral boosts, token staking could amplify affiliate earnings, which is also cool. So if you have a lot of friends or if you are an influencer, then you can also make some money from affiliates. And agent ownership, this one is honestly my favorite. This is a future concept, so they say that, but well, even though it's a future concept, they will definitely work on it. You will be able to tokenize custom agents built by users. So from my understanding, you will be able to build your own custom agent, give him a name, give him a specialization, right? Potentially share some of your own knowledge with him so he can learn based out of that, and then people will be able to maybe buy access to him or unlock him, you know, and he will be getting some commission, or most of the money, and the platform will be getting the commission or something like that. So it's a really cool concept. Definitely interested in hearing more about this one particularly. There's up the roadmap, guys. As you can see, phase 2 is the expansion, so they are working on one-on-one live calls with booking system, Telegram bot integration, agent live stream interface, pro subscription and usage billing, agent profiles and public chat history. Then in the phase 3, which is planned for quarter 4 of this year, is basically scaling an ecosystem, so launching the mobile app, agent marketplace, multi-language support, community governance, and B2B integrations and SDK. 2026 they want to go even further, DAO tooling agents, legal agents, compliance co-pilots, tokenized incentive loops, enterprise onboarding and global education and regional expansion. So really ambitious project, guys. If you want to stay updated with them, then you should definitely follow them on their X or Twitter, whatever you like to call it. Check out the stream also, you know, just kind of go around, look how it works and how it looks. They will be posting more here. They are brand new, so I found it by accident, and I think it could be something to definitely watch out for. So we will see how it goes. Maybe I'll drop an update video, we'll see. But yeah, I will definitely be active on my Twitter and my Telegram, so if you don't follow these social medias, then go ahead and join them. You have the links in the description. And also, guys, join GoAsk's Telegram if you want to be again updated about everything. If you have any questions, then you can definitely go ahead and ask them ask them on the Ask portal. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button and comment down below what you think about this project. What is your take on it, and whether you will be jumping in on the token or just watching from the sidelines and then deciding. Yeah, I'm really curious to hear your opinions, guys, so make sure to share them with me. And that's it from me for today. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.